putting this hook on, y'all. Give me 1 second. I'll rock with y'all. 1 second. Oh shit, I got my light on. It's gonna drain the strack out me. Mrs. Skeeter, fishing with Flemez. You're fishing with Flemez today. Hello, Mrs. Skeeter. Miss Skeeter, first fish out the water is for you. I'm about to go get him right now. I'm just throwing this other line in and then we gonna get him. Might be a cat, might be a carp. That's what this one is right here. Might be a cat, might be a carp. We want that carp though. Dirty 30 said, what's goody, everyone? What's good? That's how I want this to look on here, y'all. Just a dough of bread right there like that. Oh, you can even see the hook sticking out a little bit. They won't see that though. We're just gonna nibble on it till it's gone. Close it out. I know. I seen. You beat Skeeter that day. You caught 3, he caught 1, or something like that, right? I was watching. That was a good day for you. We throwing this right in the middle. Alright, that was a nice one. The phone. I'm about to put the phone on the ground. Alright, we going phone on the ground. We going in for action. Dean, we going in for action. Right over here. Pull us back some. We going in for action. Or should I keep it up on?